Hello, hello people, and this is an announcement video. Please pardon my tired looking face. I just got back from work, but that's not important. Well, the thing is, if you are familiar with all the YouTube drama going on in 2017, you know, it's not a great year for YouTube creators, yeah. And a lot of things happened, and then what YouTube tried to do in this year is, I guess they tried to change up the policy a bit to fix the problem. So yeah, at least that's what they say. And yeah, that's what the announcement's about. Our channel is going to be demonetized by the 20th of February this year, so that is like 30 days later. Reasons? Well, YouTube claims that in order to prevent bad actors to harm the original content creators in the YouTube community, they are raising the standards of the monetization. Yeah. Well, I just put up the email that they sent me. Yeah, that's almost the exact wording that they used. You can go pause it and read it if you are interested in something. So the new standard for a channel to be able to monetize itself is to have 4,000 hours watch time, as well as at least 1,000 subscribers in the past 12 months. So obviously our channel doesn't reach that requirement, so that's why. And honestly, I don't think we can magically grow about 700 subscribers, and I didn't even bother to check the watch time because that's just impossible. Because our channel is a more niche kind of one, you know, languages and stuff. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is, it is not as easy as, I don't know, beauty or vlogs channel to grow. Yeah, but don't get me wrong, I'm very grateful for having all you guys watching my videos. Yeah, and to be honest, think about that, 360 something people is like a lot of people. It's just like we have been exposed under I don't know, 1 million subscriber channel that kind of big numbers too often, that we sort of numb about what these figures means. These figures have become only figures. Most of the time we actually forgot those are real people. So think about that, 300 people are a lot. So yeah, thank you so much. But yeah, it sounds like I'm quitting YouTube. No, that's not the case. I'm not announcing I am quitting. No, definitely not. I mean, yeah, I'm not getting paid anyway, so I'm not oh, I was getting paid but now I'm not getting paid. Not like that, but it's just YouTube's new policy is so shit that I think I have to speak up, yeah, by putting a video on YouTube. But anyway, I just feel like I have to let you guys know. Is that weird? Uploads and stuff will continue. Actually, I have a few videos recorded, and now I'm just have to edit them and we're good to go again. So I don't know, demonetizing, yeah, just it is just ridiculous for YouTube to say, oh, we are killing off small channels by demonetizing them just to cleanse our platform. When, you know, the shittiest stain on the channel is, you know, the biggest star, one of the biggest stars. So, I don't know. So I guess I'll stop rambling and looking around in my room, except for the camera. This is not the very last video on this channel, I promise. I'll keep doing what I'm doing right now. And yeah, because that's what I love to do. So, thank you so much for watching. And the comment down below, I don't know, like, what do you think? And also subscribe to this channel. Yeah, let's just hope we'll reach that 1K subs soon, and I don't know. And I'll see you in the next video. Definitely. Bye.